Research and development spending is a strategic investment for life sciences companies. The ability to plan and track these costs is critical during their life cycle. This demonstration will show how Workday Adaptive Planning supports this key requirement using a project dimension to plan and isolate expenses by research and development activity. Here we see a classic expense planning template organized by general ledger account. Sheets like this are typically used in any budgeting or forecasting process. In this example, a project dimension is used to allocate costs in each department to projects. Right now, all the expenses are rolled up to the total company level across all projects. Selecting a project from the list allows users to view total company costs for that single activity. I can also filter by department. Now I'm displaying all expenses occurred in Department 1 in support of Project A. By swapping my project and account dimensions pivot table style, I can see salary and wages or any account by project, by department. These costs are allocated to each project based on full-time equivalent support. Exploring salary and wages for Project A allows users to get to any level of detail. Here I can see the 2 workers whose costs have been allocated to Project A. The full-time equivalent basis by project is determined by allocation percentage splits for each worker as shown here. This demonstration showed how Workday Adaptive Planning supports project expense budgeting for life sciences companies.